In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get report from Hootsuite Analytics. To begin, you will sign in to Hootsuite. Open your web browser and go to the Hootsuite login page. When you reach the sign-in screen, enter your account credentials and submit the form to access your dashboard. This step is important because the reporting area is only available after you are authenticated. Once you are logged in successfully, you should be taken to your main Hootsuite workspace or home view. Next, you will locate the section called My Reports. From the dashboard, look for a menu area or navigation option that includes reporting or analytics. Then select My Reports. This is where your saved reports are organized, so you can export them later. If you see multiple report-related links, My Reports is the one that focuses on your personal or saved reporting items. Take a moment here to confirm you are in the correct area before moving on, because the export options can appear in different places depending on what screen you are currently viewing. After you have entered My Reports, you will choose the option to export. From the My Reports screen, find and select Export. Depending on your view, export might appear as a button, a link, or an option in a menu near the report you want. Selecting Export tells Hootsuite that you want to package the report data so it can be saved for offline use. If you have several reports listed, make sure the report you intend to download is the one currently selected or highlighted. That small check helps prevent saving the wrong file. Once you select Export, the next step is to download it. Choose Download, which will typically begin the retrieval process for the file. At this point, Hootsuite will generate the report in the format you are exporting. You may see a brief loading screen or a progress indicator. If your browser shows prompts, follow them carefully so the download can complete. This step matters because the download action is what actually transfers the report from the Hootsuite system to your computer or device. Finally, you will save the report to your device. After the download starts, watch for the file saving prompt or check your browser's download bar. You may be able to choose where the file is stored, such as the Downloads folder or another location you prefer. Pick a clear destination so you can find the report easily later. Then confirm the save action. When the download finishes, you should be able to open the file and review the contents. To make sure everything is correct, you can quickly verify that the file downloaded successfully and that it corresponds to the report you intended to export. If the file did not download properly, you can return to the export and download steps and try again, but in most cases the process is straightforward. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.